In this video, we'll talk about the next tool in AdminPro collection that generates sequential numbers. Well, why would you need to generate sequential numbers in relativity? One example would be, let's say your client wants you to give you an export of, let's say 500 native files. And all they say, not a production, don't worry about it, just give me an export. But just to make it easier for me, give them a nice number. Just number it ABC 1 through 500 and put them in a folder. Well, you may not want to run a production just for this. You just need to do a quick native export, and then you can do rename batch file afterwards. Well, this will save you from doing the batch file after. In addition to not needing to do a batch file, you will also be able to save the numbers you used for export right in your relativity, so that next time you can just pick up with the next number. Another reason for this would be if you're doing a production that has a very complicated sort order. For example, you have multiple folders and the client says, well, I want to produce this folder first, then this folder second, and then this folder, I want it to be third, but I want it to be in a chronological order. So if you're going to set that up in the production module, that wouldn't be so easy to do. What you'll want to do is go to the first folder, generate sequential numbers there, go to the second one, do the same, go to the third folder, sort documents chronologically, and generate sequential number there as well. And then use that field you just generated as your sort order in your production module. And that way you'll be able to produce all documents in order, and you'll be able to preserve them in a field, and you will be able to QC your work before running production, so you know it's going to be accurate. Instead of spending any more time talking about it, let me show you how it works. We'll go to our relativity. We'll select documents we want to generate sequential number for, and we'll click on AdminPro. From here, we go to Tools, and we'll go to Renumber Documents. And here, we'll choose which field we want to renumber. And in our case, we'll select Doc ID. And here we can specify our number. We can specify prefix and a number. So in here, I have ABC001, and then I can click Renumber. Once this is done, you'll see complete. Now we can go to relativity, and we can see that the field has been updated. The sort order in which you had documents on your screen has been preserved, and that's the order in which documents were numbered. So if you need it to be in a different order, you can just resort them the way they are on the screen and rerun AdminPro. I hope this helps you next time you set up production with very complicated sort order. Thanks for watching.